Yes,
Here
sir.
we have a wonderful topic for you today on the veteran side of things, right? With permanent and total disability benefits. So,
Yeah.
first, what we want to have Mr. Davis explain there is exactly what that means to be permanent and totally disabled.
So obviously, everyone is really concerned if they once they hit that number of 100%, are they permanently in total? How do you find out if you're permanent in total? What does permanent in total exactly mean, right? But with that being said, permanent in total means that your chronic disabilities has no room for improvement, right? With no room for improvement, automatically it's going to be presumed that you're going to be at this chronic state pretty much for the rest of your life. So, if you do not have any future examinations on your rating disability sheet, what's going to happen is that you're going to be labeled permanent and total. And with permanent and total, there's coming other ancillary benefits that comes along with it, and we're going to kind of talk about those as well. But ultimately, permanent and total mean that you will be at this chronic state, seemingly for the rest of your life. Again, like I said before, the best way to make that determination if you have no more future exams.
Great, great. Okay. No, that's a really good point there. Now,